For Rumi, ice cream's like gimbap. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, Rumi. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out. All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, Rumi. That was fun, but we should really check the time. Uh-oh, she's late for a possibly important date. But soon, she'll always be on time with this new gadget. It already feels pretty homey. Or, at the very least, homemade. Don't forget the chimney. We want all the bells and whistles. Can you guess what we're making? That's right, a cuckoo clock. Of course, we gotta make sure the time is right. Otherwise, it'll only work twice a day, I think. It needs a good foundation and derpy. Derpy's always needed. Of course, I do have a question. Where's the cuckoo? Leave it to Sussy to make a big entrance. Either way, I'm pretty sure it's time to eat. You know what that means. Show us your teeth! But it's going to need a few additions. When it comes to tubes, the more the merrier. Can you guess our newest craft? Well, it's got a lid. And it looks like I wasn't wrong about those tubes. Good idea. This should put some spring in their step. It's mostly done, so we should personalize it, like with a Huntrix logo and a cute little derpy face. Did you guess? We've got our very own rice cooker. Now we can make all sorts of things, like gimbap or just plain rice. It is the best side dish. Just press a button and keep your eye on the timer, or clock, as it were. Either way, we've got rice. Just can't wait to dig in, can you? Of course, rice isn't exactly finger food. We're gonna need chopsticks. Never used them before? All you need's a simple wrap and maybe a little practice. That was good, but now Rumi will want something to wet her whistle. And what can be more refreshing than cardboard? Okay, you can't drink it, but you'll see how it can help. grab some bottles. Holding liquids is their job. Now it's time for us to bend those straws. Remember, always save your bottle caps, 'cause you'll never know when they'll come in handy. Why don't we add some color? How about a nice sky blue? And I wouldn't say no to some nice wallpaper for our new soda machine, complete with your favorite fruit flavors. Wait, where's the soda? Guess we've got to fill her up. You know, all this crafting is busy work. So why don't we try it out? Pick a flavor. Ooh, apple. I mean, it's important to eat or drink your greens. I wonder if it tastes like apple juice. Of course, we wouldn't say no to strawberry or orange. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got someone special on her mind. Of course, if you want to talk to Rumi, we're gonna need to get you a phone plan. Ooh, now that's some cool wallpaper. Wow, Jinu's already in your contact list. He looks so full of life, all things considered. You know, 'cause he's a Saja boy. Okay, Rumi, we've got to save Jinu. We need to build something that'll help. Or conjure up the Han Moon, whatever comes first. We already started whipping up our latest cool tool. A hat? And robe? Oh, I see. It's a decoy Saja boy. But I don't think we're finished just yet. Rumi might need some weapons. Is she making a sword? Well, so far it kind of looks more like a barbell. Guess we're pumping iron. You'll need some energy. Hold on. And they say too much candy's bad for you. Soon, Rumi will be strong enough to hunt those demons. And if music doesn't work out, she can be a bodybuilder. Oh, I get it. It's training practice. Hold on, it's alive! Wow, it's just like that story where that guy makes a monster. What was it called again? Oh yeah, Pinocchio. Come on, Rumi, you've trained for this. Literally just trained. And what's more powerful than the sword or the pen? That's right, your voice. And I should know. So make yourself a microphone. I mean, you're a K-pop demon hunter after all. Obviously, this trick is best done with 3. But every diva needs to try a solo career now and then. That's right! Rumi's part demon, but she sings like an angel. Yeah, you're going straight into the recycling bin. Looks like Rumi's up, 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 and back on top. Ah, what a fun, relaxing day at Spunky Park. At least until the robots attack. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Well, I hope everyone had fun, because the park's gonna be closed for a long while, or forever, whichever comes first. Well, we'll just need to find a new place to play. this seems nice, you know, for a fixer-upper.
Ta-da!
Let's start with something sweet. An ice cream parlor with a hot dog and pizza on the side. Variety is the spice of life after all. Ooh, a rooftop patio. And a slide. Never knew that construction could be so quick. It takes a year to fix a road, but we've got a roller coaster.
Wow!
I guess Spunky Land is truly a magical place. There's a pool. Your very own DJ station. And, it's worth repeating, there's even a roller coaster. Now this is the only way to travel. Plus, you can get a snack and take a quick shower. You can practically live here, and these guys just might do that. It's Huntrix and the Saja boys in box form. Perhaps they'll join forces to fight this new threat. Good idea. He's better off as used parts. It's the perfect building material for a new stage. Just the thing for a show or a battle of the bands. Come on, Saja boys. You guys are going first. The judges' scores are... That's out of 5, right? Oh. Yeah, don't make us get out that shepherd's crook. Okay, Huntrix, it's your turn. Get on stage. Talk about saving the best for next. But let's wait to see what the judges think. Ah, I can see they have good taste. Uh-oh, looks like somebody's out to beat Flash's record. And you know I'm talking about the sloth. Don't worry, we have an idea what to do. Wow, talk about having a head for these things. Starting things off, we're gonna need some serious wheels. Not to mention a steering wheel and other things. And let everyone know this is official police business. But we'll need 2 horses in this race. And by horses, I mean cars, just so we're clear. You just know that this car comes with speed. It even says so on the top. Okay guys, it's time to suit up. Now it's time for you to catch that cat burglar. If nothing else, she's getting a speeding ticket. Or at least a really serious talking to. It's Derpy. And it looks like it's lunchtime.
Ooh!
Why don't we check the cupboard? It's Mother Hubbard all over again.
Oh.
Well, I guess it's time for us to get building. Any guesses as to what she's making? Aw, Sussy wants to help, but this is taking too long. Ah, magic wands. Never leave home without it. Wait, it's a giant hot dog, complete with ketchup. Of course, I wouldn't say no to pickles. And hot dogs are always great with mustard. Okay, it already looks good enough to eat. But we made this for Derpy with love. Uh-oh, it's the block police. And there's a message for us.
Huh?
Oh no! Uh-oh! Nick, Gary, and Judy are all missing! Zoom in. Grab the magnifying glass. We're on the case. Well, for the time being, we can just make our own Judy. And she's gonna need her foxy friend by her side. Ooh, there's already a little snake on your shoulder. Not sure how that happened, but happy to have you. Get your money ready, folks. We've got a new crane machine. Wow, we're getting a bunch of new block friends. Ooh, I'm hoping we get that Sonic. Great success! Wow, we've got enough minifigs for a party. But you can't have a party without things to drink. And we're talking soda.
No, 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 no.
Hold on, we got you covered. We just need to whip up a soda machine. Good thing there's plenty of blocks to go around. We just need to make sure the cans can slide on out. Let everyone know what flavors are available. And a few decorations are great for advertising.
Wow.
Why don't we test it out? Wow, it's already stocked. Here, have a free sample. The rest is $1 each. Everyone get your money ready. Exact change is appreciated. All right, sodas. Sodas for everyone. Let's party. That was some party. Look at all this leftover candy. Ooh, this marshmallow's got a candy filling. Why don't we grab all of these gummies and add some heat to melt it all into place. Ooh, it's getting nice and bubbly. Let it cool and grab out your new Candyman. Ooh, talk about room to grow. He can stretch. Of course, he's also great at reducing. Unfortunately, he's got friends in all sorts of places. Which is impressive for someone who was just made. And he was in charge of your birthday party prep? No worries, we can do it. Complete with custom candles. Well, candle. Just the thing to fit on top of this cute cupcake. Don't forget to spark things up. Okay, birthday boy, it's time to make a wish.
Here you go.
Time for art class. And this is how you draw a circle. Okay, it's your turn. Well, that could be rounder. Uh-oh, this guy doesn't look too happy. Well, let's hope he offers some extra credit. We need one of those circle drawing tools. I think they're called compasses. Well, we can make one. Wow, a perfect circle! And we're not done. Let's take some blocks to make a few additions. Now attach the compass. Slide the pencil right on in. You can use this to draw ovals now. And you just know what grade this is getting.